let's look at how to secure your thread and tidy it away after you've stitched a group of French knots. You'll see on the back, in between each French knot is a little straight stitch, and if you've done a real cluster of French knots, you'll have lots of these little stitches. So they're great, they're hanging out right there, and they're a nice secure spot for you to anchor away your thread. So, and to be honest, your thread is quite secure with a French knot anyway. So I'm just going to tuck my needle under the first stitch. Okay, now I'm in place. I want to do that again. I'm not piercing the fabric, I'm just weaving it under that stitch. But before I pull through all the slack, I'm going to poke my needle through I'm going to leave a loop, and then poke my needle through that loop, and then gently tighten up the knot. You could either cut a tail off now, but if you've got a few stitches hanging out nearby, or you might have an outline stitch of a stem, I'll just tidy my tail into those stitches. I'm going to go back the way I came, just so that I can get about an inch of thread tidied away. This won't be noticeable on the front. And then, once I've just woven my tail into the stitches on the underside, I can snip it off nice and close, and that's a really nice tidy way to finish off your thread.